Seki, asan ka?
There's more spot there.
I think most of them are, but maybe there's some trees where, like a spot where trees.
A shaded.
Yeah, there's some.
Thank you, brother.
Yes,
Ma.
Mom.
And I saw a rock with a hole.
Mhm.
It's a turtle.
Yeah. I'm not
Yes.
sure.
I don't know. And you see how hole at a rock? It means it's a turtle, okay?
No, some are snake.
Ha?
Hi, isa lang?
Yung kanina, yung dumaan kanina mula kanina.
Oo, one lang. Yes, baby!
Ma.
Hi.
Sige, okay na ito eh. Paypayan mo na lang, paypayan. Tumbok mo muna. Tumbok mo muna natin.
The spider grew.
I go because go away.
Go,
Very
go, go,
resourceful.
man.
I'll sing for them. Testing, testing. Hello.
No, let me think.
Okay, sige, sing.
Everybody, listen to me. What song do you want?
Okay, sing now.
Beautiful things, beautiful things.
Okay, short.
Please, sing ganon. Stay. This beautiful things that I
I
got.
don't know how to sing. I will go here. What song do you want?
No, no.
No,
Okay.
no.
No. I will introduce you first, bro.
Ow.
You go over there
I'm
first.
Peppa Pig.
Okay, everyone. Our singer today
Meron sana tayong
is
stick na mahaba eh.
Ezekiel Garcillion.
Bakal.
Garcillion.
Tuhugin na lang natin na ganun.
So now he will
O,
be
tinan mo,
coming.
boss.
O di ganun mahal, hawak-hawakan na lang natin.
Hello, guys.
Ay, hawak-hawakan hindi. Yung
What do you
tinidor.
want song?
Tagdadalawa tayo. Yan, tama na yan.
Yuan, sino mo yung cellphone ko? Baka si lolo mo na yon.
Kaya naman ah.
Ano?
Everybody.
Ang dami na natin nilalagay yan.
Nakaya naman yan. One, tagtatalupay lang mahal ah. Para maluto. Dapat sinabi mo na kay Tito kanina na naiwan yung grill.
I don't know how to sing that song. Everybody.
It's okay.
Let's get to it.
Amazing. Buti ang dala ko na.
Kakabalkot.
Buti tinanong pa kita kung magdadala ng kutsara kasi magkakamay-kamay sana kami for the lamp. And deliver.
Gosh.
Ano naman?
What song do you want?
Ano kaya?
Twinkle little star.
Anyan. Kulting kalmanan. Okay, ubing.
It turned off for a second. What song do you want? Good. Spanish, everybody.
Hindi pa hindi ko na video anak kasi may ginagawa ako eh. Oh, again?
Just wait. Everybody just wait. And go.
Oh, yan. Perfect na yun. Yun, yung pataas.
I want to make it loud first.
Ano na yung song ni Kuya sa graduation? Let me, What's your song, Kuya?
This is me.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
What song do you want, everyone? I'll tell you what song.
Mr. Sun.
The park is...
Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Mr. Sun, Sun, down on me. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Mr. Sun. I just wait.
Okay, drink some natto.
And go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun.
I'm so tired.
Please shine down on
I'm so
me.
tired na wait.
Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Please shine down on me.
Louder.
Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Please shine down on me. Everybody, go back home. We're finished now.
What the? Go back home pa? Okay,
Okay,
thank
what song
you. Si kuya naman. This is real. This is me.
Okay, everybody. First we have Kuya Luman.
Uy, not me.
I know your song. Your song in the shorts.
Oh, your song in
Your
the
song,
shorts
yung
daw.
dalawa kayo, yung... ano na yung kinakanta nilang dalawa?
And workshop kids I
Yeah!
Mr.
Yung
Sun,
kinakanta nilang dalawa
Sun,
lagi.
Mr. Golden Sun. Okay.
And
I'll
still
tell you the greatest song ever.
Ayun, nakuha ko na, natumbok ko.
We have friends house, everyone's secret
Tapos
songs
ang-
and everything.
There's Lolo and Lola. Nyaman tao iyan.
Maturog ko.
Sugarod, kung iso ko nakot, maturog ni tita data ko nak. Ay tita.
Hello.
Papatog.
Hi Donya.
Nana, kamampan mo ka. Sungar nga. Apay ko naman napakadwayo.
No, sa kanila.
Paturong tayo ron.
Hug Lolo.
There's something for you.
Oh, thank you Lola. See? Kaya pala thank you to ah.
This is for you guys.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yung ako yung bike.
Bike trail tita.
Bike talaga. Ora lagi pagduldulinan dito. Bike trail mo tayo.
Just like this? Yeah. Yes?
Nag-interview di kalman dyan. Yung damo sakti ko. I can tell you.
Guys, nagamit
But
naman din.
if you tell me who asked you to ask me, I will tell you. Lola asked me to ask you.
Just like this? Yeah. Yes?
Nag-interview di kalman dyan. Yung damo sakti ko.
Sabat daw siya sa'yo. Tama tutulog kami.
Hey, Ezekiel. There.
Oro man ang oras mo dyan.
Ang mapanta dyan, magidalaon, tamaturo. Bayad yan. Hindi yan.
Makaparelax.
Apang ka-aura, walutang oras iyan, maturog.
Thank you po. Ang kami mo ba? Sabi ko kasi sa tayo anak. Pag ganito oh. Pag ganito.
I want to play ice cream. Look at that. It's like this. Look at that.
Dancing. There's ice cream truck, Dada.
I want to buy ice cream.
See? Baka naman.
I want to buy ice cream.
Lola is sleeping there. you say?
Bulat.
Thank you po.
Baby. Oh, there's one more here.
Parang na ganun kasi mag-spit ka.
Yum. Yummy. Yummy, Dad.
Natry mo na ba? Kumain ka din? Ha? Kumain ka kanina? Asin. Mama, we get together. And your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be.
Now, oopsie, a bullet just fall down.
But just fall down. Naghintay yung mga sa anak ko. Happy sila pag may nahulog kasi food na nila yon. Bigyan natin sila. Maghulog ka ng dalawa. This is it will feed lots of ants. This one. Give it. Dun sa baba. Ayun, doon siya. Para iuwi niya sa pamilya niya. Ayan. Tatawagin niya yung friends niya yan. Tapos, bubuhatin nila yan.
And then, they'll bring it back to their home.
That's their dinner now. Thank you po, Seki.
And then, I will never kill them, okay?
Okay.
I will never again.
Why you will never kill the ant? Because
they're nice. Ma, Inky.
thank you po.
Welcome po. Yes. It's so little.
Oo. Makati pa ito, anak, hindi na.
And then,
Wala na yung sa ulo mo na. Ito.
ow.
Ang sakit. Silong ng mangga.
Katulog ako.
Oo, mahaba din. Parang, buti lang nakita natin dito. Mainit sa baba eh. Sakit ng hangin. Makiwagang salamin. Ay, baliktad pala to. Seki, where are you?
Ganitong gawin mo, gawin sa road bike mo. Ito eh.
I'm behind Tita.
Ganyan na kulay.
Saan? Andyan ka pala. Dito kay usog kayo dito.
What I found today on the bushes.
And tinag ni Lula Waneng.
My Lula follow me until now to do this.
Pang
Do you know
kurikor.
what is this?
It's a bird feather. Lula Waneng. Naiwan na, nagkukurikor. Ulo. Lula is iwan na. Si kurikor.
My, go here first.
You gonna borrow that. I-borrow mo yun. I-borrow mo. Yung pantikal shadow, no face.
I can see any move.
Uh-huh.
I can see the whole animal.
They're still sleeping. They're still sleeping. Shh. Mabutang mut. Sige, scared.